Okay, welcome to this class. Let's talk a little about appliances. It is a technology present in the VirtualBox and in several other hypervisors that I can know. This technology is capable of transporting virtual machines from one host to another. Also use it as template to create new machines with standard configuration or to save time. Since it is faster to use the appliance than to create a new machine from scratch. All machine information and virtual disks are stored in these appliances. So when importing the appliance, the VM is ready for use without any additional configuration. So, okay, here in the VirtualBox manager, we're gonna test this. First, select the machine to be created the appliance. For security, I'm gonna create a snapshot. And now we go to the menu bar and click on Machine, then Export to OCI. In this window that opens, we're gonna change the format to Open Virtualization format, then choose the location of the output file. In my case, I will select the desktop and save. I'm gonna select the option to reset the network interfaces and click Continue. On this screen, I can insert some data, but this is optional, and click Export. And now we are exporting our VM. Let's delay the process. As you can see, the file is already being created on my desktop. And from here, I can use an external hard drive or USB stick to transport it to another host or even send it over on the internet. And when we're storing this appliance, we're gonna have on another computer or a machine identical to that. Okay, the process has been completed. And now to go the other way and import an appliance. Let's go to the menu bar again, click on File, Import Appliance. And here in this window that opens, we're gonna keep this option. And here, click on Open and select the OVA file created. Click Continue. Note that all the VM information is here. And to proceed, just click on Import and let's wait till the process to end. And here we have Ubuntu Desktop 1. Because we already have a machine with that name, the number 1 was added in the front. And if we start this VM, we're gonna see that it is already ready for use. So that's it. See you soon.